Hello everybody, Swaminath here. Today we are going to see SAP configurations in SAP functional resume. In most of the resume, even today I have taken one interview, and in most of the resume I could not see any configurations related to the modules. So we are going to see what is configurations is all about and how you are going to use it in your resume. Only then you will be getting the calls, or else you will never be able to get the calls. The initial screening is configuration. The word configuration is very utmost important in any functional resume. Okay, let's see FICO resume and SD resume. Okay, so now let's see what is configurations is all about. It is a part of implementation wherein like currency code setting, language setting, organizational structure setting, and vendor master setting, material master setting, customer master setting, all the business processes here in FICO, it is accounts receivable, payable, general ledger, tax configurations, all configurations, comes under configurations. And I have just posted just check the link below the description. I have posted the complete FICO implementation. Complete FICO implementation and tax configuration implementation, which is related to FICO, integration with other modules, FICO, SD FICO integration. I have given a link, just check the link. And integration, OBYC transaction code. This is OBYC transaction code. This is OBYC transaction code, OBYC transaction code, and this is VKOA transaction code, VKOA settings transaction code. Okay, this is tax codes, IGST, CGST. Okay, IGST, CGST says if you are buying any car, it is IGST comes under integrated GST, state GST, central GST. So total configuration settings I have given in this video. Check the video; it's very important, and you may get some idea on this. And SAP implementation, where enterprise structure, organizational structure of FICO, ORG structure of FICO, creation of GL account, creation of GL account, accounts payable, AP and AR, complete AP and AR I have given in this video. Just check the description. Okay, now let's go to the configuration settings. So implementation configuration, there are two types of configuration. Implementation configuration, tax configuration in FICO, and integration with other module in FICO. And one more configuration is there, like vendor master configuration, customer master configuration, creation of the number ranges for customer master, creation of the configuration for vendor master. All those all comes under FICO configuration. And tax configuration, integrated GST, that is state GST, central GST. Complete video I have given here, this video. Check the description. This video, check the description. Accounts payable, balance sheet entry, I have given balance sheet entry, PL and account, everything I have given. Profit loss account, balance sheet, everything I have given. Okay, now, so implementation configuration in FICO comes under enterprise structure and FICO implementation. FICO implementation, wherein there are lots of configurations involved here, like customer master, material master, general ledger account, general ledger. So here, general ledger number ranges, GL account number ranges. Also comes under this. Okay, chart of account implement in enterprise structure. Credit management in enterprise structure. All this all comes under implementation configuration in FICO. Okay, now tax configuration, IGST, CGST. It comes under configurations, implementation as well as support ticket. Tax configurations. Support ticket, wherein frequently the percentage of GST will be changed. That needs to be updated in the system. That is tax configuration. And that also I have provided in the system. Check the description below. You will have this tax configurations. IGST, CGST, SGST, everything in the tax codes. You can check that. So this also you have to specify it in your resume. See here, I have one more resume here. which I have taken interview, he is saying, this guy is saying 2 years of experience in SD and FICO. But when I see, let's check it, 2 years, when I check configurations, only 2 places I could see configured. Configured pricing procedure in SD and configured in credit management. So what about the enterprise structure? What about the tax configuration? If he is saying FICO, he should have mentioned tax configuration, but he didn't specify anything related to tax configuration. IGST or CGST he didn't, or SGST he didn't specify. So what is the point in selecting this person? I have removed all his details. I have deleted it, and I have deleted the projects also. Even in the projects, he didn't specify anything related to pertaining to configurations. Only these 3 places he has specified: pricing procedure, configuration in credit management. Other than that, he didn't do anything. Even in inventory management, where is the inventory management in FICO inventory check? So he didn't do any configurations. He has then just went to a training center. He has taken the training. And even in the training center, they are taking it in the training center, they take training with the standard. Like even in 1000 company code. It's a company code where SAP itself has given. You can work around in 1000 company code. They would have told all the accounts payable or accounts receivables and general ledger in 1000 company code. They would have finished it in 1000 company code. They should teach them starting from the scratch, starting from the organizational structure, but they wouldn't have told them. That is the reason for this. There is no configuration pertaining to any. The word configuration is not there. This is what the problem. So this resume has got rejected. Let me see. This resume has got rejected because of that. Okay, now let's go to the tax configurations. Integration with other modules. SD, already I told. VKOA settings. This is VKOA. This is VKOA and MMS OBYC transaction. All these are all comes under configurations with FICO and SD, FICO and MM. This you have to specify it in your resume. Only then your resume will get shortlisted and you can go for the interview. They'll be calling you for the interview. There is no configurational settings. If you are not involved in any configurational settings, if you are not trained in any configuration settings, they will not call you for the interview. This is so called. That is the reason I have given this SAP configuration in functional list. Thank you.